Well, hello, everyone. Happy holidays. I know the holidays are, goodness, just about what? 10 days away, Christmas is. So we hope that you're ready. And of course, we know several customers and hosts and proprietors with Dresden and Company are really ready. It's been an incredible holiday selling season. And our team right now, I have to give a big shout out to our distribution and our manufacturing team. They've made a lot of great things happen in terms of the products that our customers and hosts and proprietors have ordered. And now our distribution team is busy at the warehouse getting those out. But there is still one product that is kind of here this winter that we just launched yesterday. And as you can see here, that I am joined by two of our great friends from the D&Co sales field. And that, of course, is rising proprietor Vicki Tummel from Knoxville, Tennessee. Hi, Vicki, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thank you, Tina.
Well, you look super cute in your snowman scarf and hat there. Also joined us. What's that?
Woman. It's a snow woman, not a snowman.
Oh, excuse me, snow woman. Thank you, Vicki. Yes, absolutely. That's very important. Well, joining us today is another great friend, and that is team leader Judy Wise from Bloomfield, Indiana. Hey, Judy, how you doing?
Hi there. Happy winter. Although
Yes,
it's 60 degrees outside right now.
Right, it seems a little crazy to be talking about a snowman, and you know we have 50 degrees here in Dresden today, but the sun is shining, which is wonderful. But we're also joined by another incredible friend that Vicki and Judy are going to talk about, and of course that is our IronWorks Snowman Votive holder. So he's our dear friend on the call today, and that's what we're going to focus on in terms of sharing great ideas for him. So I am super excited to hear many of those ideas, and so I'm going to turn it over to Judy to get those ideas started. Take it away, Judy.
Well, thank you, Tina. And I am super excited. And you know what? How many of you just absolutely love snowmen? No matter what form they come in, how they look, you have to have a snowman. And this is certainly one that you're going to want to add to your collection because our snowman, he is adorable. He is our IronWorks snowman, and he's made in Ohio. He's actually has a white enamel coating, which just really gives him the highest quality ever. And of course, he's been designed exclusively for us with his scarf and his little snowman, or excuse me, his snowflake belly. And we're gonna actually share with you some ways in which you can enjoy our snowman. And of course, we've mentioned that he's a votive holder snowman. Well, I'm gonna show you the back of the snowman. This is the base, so you can see. And we'll show it from the side, that way you can see it better. It's completely flat. So since he is a snowman votive holder, that's obvious that you can use him with candles. But we're gonna go way above and beyond using him for just candles. So today, Vicki and I are gonna share with you a variety of ideas. So I'm gonna start out, and of course, our ever so popular Bevan Bell that we have been partnering with the Bevan Company for the last 3 seasons. And he just looks perfect to hold one of our Bevan bells on his arm. But more importantly, you know, all of us have those special ornaments that we enjoy showcasing, maybe separate from the tree. So why not let your snowman actually showcase those special ornaments for you as well? But of course, we prefer our Bevan bells. Now, we also want to show you how he can coordinate with some of our other products that we have in our product line. And of course, if you don't have them, we know that you're going to want to contact your proprietor so you can get them. But we're going to turn them around so that what's cool about this guy is either way, he looks great, front or back. So we're going to partner with our, excuse me, our small votive basket sleeve with the candle inside. Okay, so we have a candle. But look, you can set it right on the base, and rather than hiding it, you could set this in the front and maybe even want to add some greenery around it too. But it's kind of nice to know that you can utilize it with our votive basket sleeve. And you know what? You can take the sleeve off if you want. You can even put a dip in here and enjoy it with a food item in it as well. So that's one of our product ideas that we can coordinate with him. Another one is our small hurricane filled with the old-fashioned candy, or maybe some candy canes, or just some little Christmas candies and sits perfectly so it looks like that your snowman is dishing out the candy for you, finding it either on your end table or coffee table if you want it. So, but we're not going to stop there. We're also going to coordinate it with, and kind of can call them like a sleeve if you want to, but our jug, our milk jug, our American Potter's milk jug, which have a pretty hefty arrangement in this. But check this out, how cute he looks by just setting the vase behind the snowman. And although it hides our jug, but he sure looks pretty cute having pine shooting out of his hat, if you will. And you know what, if you don't have the American Potter's milk jug, maybe you have a dear friend like I do that, I didn't get this very close, that sent me this beautiful flower arrangement this weekend during my open house. So it's just in a standard glass vase, which you probably have those sitting around your home. And you can even set him right in front of a standard vase. So you're hiding the vase, but it's all about the snowman and it's all about your arrangement. So it's kind of nice to know that you can coordinate them as a centerpiece if you want to. Well, we're not done yet. Of course, I've added a little heart on the top of this one. So it is a little heart cutout on the snowman here. Everything's a cutout, which is really intriguing on how they actually did this there in Ohio. But, you know, I kind of wanted to point out the heart of the hat. So I actually took a little felt heart that has a sticky back to it and attached it. So it looks really cute and makes it a little bit more prominent. Well, we're not done yet because we could also have your snowman helping you maybe baking cookies or some of those holiday recipes. And of course, you can take just a little clip, clothespin clip, and he can hold your recipe while you're working on your cookies, baking your cookies if you want to. Or maybe you just want to share. I know I've got some of my grandmother's cookie or recipe cards that is in her handwriting, and maybe some of those holiday recipes you might just want to showcase for the holidays as well with your snowman. Now, not only can he hold a recipe card, but you know, you can go down the aisle of those Michael's or Hobby Lobby or any of those little craft stores, and you can find the little miniature ornaments. Well, he also looks pretty darn cute. You know, you can get some garland or little strings of lights, and you can just drape them across. So it looks like he's holding some lights for you, whether it's messy or it looks like he's just like I am when I'm doing my Christmas lights. I'm in a mess. Christmas lights and hanging draperies are a real challenge for me. And then one more thing that you can drape across, and that is, I actually made this little thing, very simple to do by just taking some, or just using images on your computer, but little triangles, and it spells out snowman. So we're going to hang this across here. And we shared this a while back, actually, but we could probably share it again, a snowman dip. So we made the little snowman, and then it says snowman dip. Because, you know, when you have family and friends over and you have all these food items, it's kind of like, well, what's this? What's this? So your snowman can actually hold what you're serving. And of course, I actually did this backwards because, let me flip this guy around here. Let me use this one here. We're going to do it this way. And of course, I don't know about if you knew this, but we have a very nice charcuterie set, small charcuterie set. And absolutely, you need more than one charcuterie set, I'm finding. I think I've now got 3 or 4 sets. But anyway, so we have our snowman dip, and our little charcuterie set has little loops on it. Well, you can hold, it will hold your little spoon and your knife on the sides. So if you want to serve a cheese ball, you can. But what I'm doing is I'm actually going to be taking the Coop dinnerware bowl, and I filled it with our snowman dip and sitting right here in the front. So now everybody knows that we are serving a snowman dip. And of course, we have the little spoon off to the side. that makes it easy for everyone if they want to gather their snowman dip. Now you could also use this too for like a nutcracker set. So you could have this for your nuts and then put your little, the nutcrackers will hang over the side. So those are some of the ideas I have to share, and Vicky's going to continue on and maybe elaborate on this coop dinner bowl.
Thanks, Judy. What a great avalanche of ideas. They were really good. Of course, if you know me, I have to bedazzle and jazz up things just a little bit. And so if you look over here on mine, that I made a charcuterie plate, and I have taken my snowman and I have actually put buttons and a nose and a mouth, and I put a glitzy button for his hat. But anyway, and I did it two-sided, which you're going to see why I did it anyway. But this is I had fun putting this charcuterie snowman platter together. Everybody needs one of these, and everybody needs one of these baskets. It's the hot seller for this season. And you know what? If I don't hurry up, I'm going to melt away. It's not necessarily the snowman that's going to melt. But I put Judy's snowman dip, and I thought, golly, gee whiz, you know what? You could do the same thing. This is a coop dinnerware plate, and I took the buttons and I made a snowman face on him, so it kind of showcases. It looks like a big snowball, and he's got his face. And Judy showed me this idea, and I just thought it was precious. So I've got my little charcuterie spoon on his hand, and you can dip. I've got graham crackers, apples, and vanilla wafers for that. And oh my gosh, I made little snowman marshmallow suckers for the kids. I've got the melted snowman candy, which was really easy to do. And then I kept finding all this cool stuff as I was looking at the cake decoration. These are little cupcake toppers. And you know how kids love those? They're all sugar. Yeah, sugar them up, send them home. But you've got, they had snowflakes and snowmen. And then I even found something else better. The M&M company has made pretzel white chocolate M&Ms.
Yum.
Little snowballs. And so you have a dessert platter right here. Everybody needs to do one of these.
That's perfect.
Now I'm going to move this over here because I've got a few other things I want to do with it. The reason why I did two-sided was because if I'm sitting behind it, I want to make sure they can see this precious snowman. But I put the foot, or the whatever you want to call it, right here. And if you are having that at the end of your serving line, I love our bubble glass. I just think our bubble glass is awesome. And this has got just, you can use silverware, or I got the glitzy looking silk plastic ware. And you can just put that there and they can pick it up and go down the serving line. This one also, Sharon had done one where the my snowmen are falling. We did the ramekin, and then she took candy canes, and I thought, ooh, this would be really nice for after dinner. You know how you always want like mince or something, and if you've had something. And so you could put this where the desserts are being served. And then with the peppermints in the stemless wine glass, it kind of looks like a snowball with peppermints in it. And then people can take their mints or candy canes or whatever they want right out of there. So that's another thing you can, I just love this one. The more I started playing with it, I need 3 or 4 of these. And you better hurry because he's going to melt away. Now, you know, if you procrastinate, which some people do, and they call the next day and you say, I'm sorry, he's sold out. These are while supplies last, people. So if you're just kind of thinking about it, you better snap to it because he will be melted and gone. But if you wanted also, and if you didn't have the charcuterie, the coop dinnerware bowl, our small American Crafters bowl will fit right there too. So you can use that, which is great. And then of course, our ramekin fits beautifully on here. So But what I did with the ramekin, you know how when a man comes in the back door, he throws his keys and takes all the change out of his pocket, although, you know, change is getting scarce, but still they have some. And so I thought, how cute to put this by the back door on your foyer where you have a table. He can throw his keys here so he doesn't say, what did you do with my keys? Because they're right here on here. And use the ramekin to throw all of his change in. So that would be another great way. You could use this wonderful little snowman. I just love him so much. You can also use it for bookends with these little feet. So you can't have just one, you got to have two unless you can brace it up against the inside of your bookcase. Then there are books in between here. And then Judy's coughing because she doesn't read. That's why she did that. But anyway, you can put your books here and then you've got these cute little snowman. Now, I didn't tell you that it doesn't come with these wonderful little pieces. Guess where I got them? Of course, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, Michael's, AC Moore. They all have this great array of Christmas buttons. And you can do that. But then Judy said to me, you know, I think I have some of my grandmother's buttons that I would like to use, which would even make it more special. So if you have a collection of buttons at your house and just do it with glue dots, and then when you take them off, you know, those glue dots are wonderful. You can use them for everything. But one more thing that I've thought of, the teacher in me is coming out again. Lots of times we have kids that really, really, benefit from, you know, and they respond well to behavior modification. And during Christmas time, they use that spooky elf on the shelf. I think he's spooky looking. Well, if you have kids that respond really well, niece, maybe grandchildren, or if you're a teacher, and that's why I thought about this, you know, they come back from Christmas break and they're just kind of wild for a while. You could use him, like, where is Frosty? And if they then have a chart, and if they have good behavior for that day, they get to put a snowflake next to their name. And if they get a snowflake by their name for the whole week, as a teacher, they get a piece of candy. Once again, sugar them up, send them home. You can maybe take them to McDonald's for maybe, you know, if you're using it at home. So, I mean, you know, there's so many things you can do with this little guy. And like I said, you don't need just one, you have to have two, maybe three or four. So, but Merry Christmas. Now, I think Judy's going to also show you something really special.
Yeah, a little sneak peek of why, you know, with the snowman, he's something that you can certainly decorate with all through February. And here in Indiana, we kind of go past the basketball sectionals because it's always snowing the first part of March. But the one thing too to think about, as you can obviously tell, you do need more than one. And if you purchase 3 and maybe one of our food items, that gets you to a $150 party. And then you could even get a 4th one half price if you want it. So if you're thinking about maybe some gifts, you know, my birthday's in January. This would make a perfect birthday gift for someone in January or February. With Valentine's Day coming up in February, oh, these are going to look so cute against our cardinal red baskets that we are bringing out in January. And in fact, I just happen to have the small vase here, and sits pretty cute with our snowman right in front. And of course, you probably can't tell through the camera, but the red of the basket just comes shining through the open snowflake in the belly and the scarf and the nose. And he just snugs right up next to it. So, but yes, in January, all of our baskets are going to be coming out in cardinal red. And this little guy, the snowman, is going to be partnering with them just perfectly. So we've given you some ideas. We've also given you some ways in which you can save to get more snowmen for this holiday season. And Tina, I think that we'll send it back to you.
Wow, I wish I had as many great ideas and things to share as you ladies did. That was incredible. And Vicki, you've definitely convinced me that I need more than one. You both have. So great job, ladies. Great ideas. It's so great to take such a fun piece and be able to use it, to your point, you know, past the holidays, obviously, but in through winter, and just you've opened up our mind with the possibility. So thank you, ladies, very much for sharing. If you're watching this video, if your proprietors posted it on their page or shared it, be sure you follow up with your proprietor, as Judy mentioned. Perhaps turn that order into a party, and get ready for a fantastic January campaign, which again features our beautiful and our most popular color, seasonal color of stain, which is our cardinal red. If by chance you're watching this video, maybe someone's posted it on Facebook or it's gotten to you and you haven't connected with a Dresden & Company proprietor yet, we definitely encourage you to do that. You can find a proprietor very easily. You can visit DresdenandCompany.com, and on the landing page, you can click on Find a Proprietor, enter your zip code, do a search, and you'll be connected to a proprietor. And we know there are great benefits for shopping with a proprietor, right, ladies? You get
Absolutely.
that incredible insider price, which is a 20% savings off of the regular price. So 'tis the season to be shopping, 'tis the season to brace for winter, and how we can certainly bring have those comforts in home and have a little fun with it. So ladies, you did an incredible job. Thank you so much for sharing. Again, happy holidays to everyone. Thank you so much for supporting Dresden & Company, supporting our proprietors. Thank you to our hosts, our customers, and again, to our entire D&Co team that's made this incredible holiday season happen. They've executed it beautifully based on all of the hard work of our sales field. To our entire D&Co community across the country and here in Dresden, we appreciate you, and we wish you the happiest of holidays. So take care, everyone, and we'll see you all very soon again. Bye-bye, Judy and
Merry
Nikki.
Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.